of pins and feathers, all the other instruments, faith and sex and God in the belly of a black-winged bird. Don't try to leave me, 'cause I've been here before, and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of a queen. I belong anywhere but in between. She's been crying, and I've been thinking, and I am breaking. I said, Mama, 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 why am I so alone? I can't go outside, I'm scared I might not make it home. But I'm alive and I'm alive. But it's sinking in. If there's anyone home at your place, Mama, why don't you invite me in? Try to lead me, 'cause I've been here before, and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of a queen. I belong anywhere but in between. She's been lying, and I've been sinking, and I am breaking. Hey, I only want the same as anyone. Henderson is waiting for the sun. Oh, it seems life endlessly begins and ends. After all the twists, I come home. I think of heaven, deliver me in a black-winged bird. I think of dying, lay down and feel the flaming feather, render up my body unto the flex and takes in the belly